guys, it's me Issaplease and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I hope you do click that subscribe button. I like to make videos about food, fashion, lifestyle, basically anything and everything. But today we're gonna be cooking some food. I guess this is the first time that I've actually done this aside from my spoof video where I actually just made mungo. So for this video, I'm gonna be cooking some food that's pre-packaged already, and these are from Virginia Food Inc. The Virginia Seafood Selection are a variety of easy-to-cook pre-packaged food. It is so easy to prepare. You can either steam them or deep fry them, and you instantly have delicious dishes that look like you got them straight from a restaurant. I tried a bunch of them, and I was easily able to prepare them for myself and for my family. This is the shawmai. I like this one. Tastes like shrimp. What do you call it? Shrimp cheese ball. So there's cheese inside of this and we're gonna try it. This one tastes like, I can't really compare it to anything because it tastes like shawmai with shrimp, which is pretty good. I'm not like a huge shawmai person. I prefer shawmai with Issaplease, but it's good. And it's steamed, so it's really easy. Like all I had to do is just like steam it, leave it there, and it was cooked pretty fast. Everything that we have here, like, and you saw in the video, we just popped it in the deep fryer and then left it for like 3 minutes at the most. It says 2.5 to 3 minutes, yeah. So you can see that it's already cooked because it kind of pops up. And you know that because Cooking Mama says so. Tastes like a shrimp ball. Can't taste the cheese so much. Which is okay or sad. I'm really excited to try the ebi tempura one because this is one that I've been wanting to try for a while. I'm gonna try it with the sauce that I made. I'm not very excited to try the tofu one, this one, because I'm not a big fan of tofu, but I'm excited to try it still because I'm curious if I might change my mind about it. The breading is kind of thick on it, like there. But it tastes pretty good. It tastes like breaded stuff.
What's this?
Just a shrimp nugget. No. Let me tell you. This one also, the crispy shrimp is, I'm also really excited to try this one. Because it's like a cooler version of the ebi fry. Yeah, shrimp. It doesn't taste a lot like shrimp. It tastes like a lot of like lumpia wrappers or something. Like. But I know in mukbangs you're supposed to talk about the food and anything else, anything random. But I'm just so hungry. I'm just gonna enjoy this meal. And nalingaw ko sa ebi fry because of the, yeah, like what Casey's saying, the texture, but it tastes more like lumpia wrapper that's deep fried. Can't really taste the shrimp. That's really thick.
Okay, masyadong squid ball.
Yeah, like everything is like, ang pinakamahal is $159, which is the crispy shrimp and the shrimp shawmai.
That tastes so bad.
It tastes so bad.
It doesn't taste like tempura sauce at all. What did you put in that? Sesame oil.
No, I just followed
Mirin?
the recipe, mirin and soy sauce. Like,
That's a lot of mirin.
I just followed the recipe.
Mirin?
Yeah.
That's a lot of mirin. Tastes like pure mirin halos.
Oh, I'm low back. Hey guys, so I hope that you liked that video. That was obviously taken like months, I think a year ago. Obviously you can tell by the difference in hair color. But I hope that you liked that video anyways. It took me a while because I actually lost the footage of that video and then I found it again, so I thought that I would put it out for you. I lost the other footage, that's why there's no ending to that video, but your girl tried. I really tried. Let me know if you like that video and if you want more of it, because I will make more for you guys very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to follow me on all my socials. I'm Issaplease, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.